no, you'll have to wait for another year. Just give this exam again next year, or just give NID again, and you can get into pretty nice colleges. And I was like, I did not get into NID, so I was kind of like, man, I don't want to get into this college as well. So they were like, no, did you drop an email? I was like, yeah, I did. Because of that, it impacted me so much that I stopped posting. Email drop karna tha aapko. And there are many things which happened at college. I mean, there is some tea. Hi besties and welcome back. Right now I'm getting ready to go to my college, and while getting ready I'm going to be telling you guys a story about how I messed up with my dream college application form and how I ended up in a totally different college which I never even imagined to go to. And I'm going to be talking with you guys as if we are on a video call and as if I'm telling a story to my best friend. So yeah, let's get into it. So first things first, I use this tinted sunscreen from Dot and Key. This story begins exactly 1 year ago when I was applying for different design colleges. Apart from NID, there was this particular college which I really wanted to go to. I even visited it thrice. I filled a lot of forms of design colleges, by the way. I filled NID, I filled UCID, all that forms, and plus other private colleges keep forms to like have more options. So I filled that college's form as well, like usual. That form actually opens pretty late. It opens after like all the colleges are done with their application forms. It was like not new for me at this point, right? Exam of that college was in April, and when I got my admit card, BDS fashion design. And I was like, I did not take fashion. Why is it showing I have chosen fashion? Then I just texted them on their WhatsApp number that I wanted to like change it. So they said drop email. And my dumb thought I have to drop my email to them. So I sent my email gmail.com to them, and they did not reply to it. Like, and I was like, okay, they must have done something from their, portal or site. I don't know. And then I went to give the exam normally, and it was pretty chill. It was like UCID. And I came home after a few days. I got an email from them that I have been selected for the second round, which is the DAT exam. Let me just apply my sunscreen. And then I got an email that I have been selected for the second round because I sent them a text on WhatsApp. So it must be done by now. And I don't know. I was like, I really did not think about it that much. I was like, it must be done by now. So I didn't want to give the DAT exam. I was pretty confused and depressed about my career because I did not get into NID. So I was kind of like, man, I don't want to get into this college as well. It's just, I don't know, I was in different headspace back then. The only college I wanted to go to was NID, and I did not take enough efforts to like study for that exam, and still I was sad that I did not get into NID. So it's kind of weird, but yeah, that happened. I was pretty mad at myself. I was pretty sad, and I didn't want to give that exam. But I went to give the main exam anyways. And I went there, I went to that center, and I was reading my name in which classroom I have to go to. And then I saw there, and it was written BDS Fashion Communication. And I was like, I don't want to give this exam. Because after I reached there, I got to know that BDS Fashion and BDS are two different departments of that college, apparently. So I was like, no, I want to give exam of BDS only. I don't want to give exam in BDS fashion because I don't want to study fashion. And I went to the main office and I said that I don't want to like give fashion exam. I got selected in first round, and now I want to give that exam, design aptitude test of BDES, like normal bachelor in design. I want to give an exam of that, not of fashion. So they were like, no, did you drop an email? I was like, yeah, I did. And they were like, sure. And I was like, wait, no, I don't know. And I was like, yeah, I texted you all on WhatsApp. And it was like, and that person was like, okay, what the? And I was like, oh, he meant drop email means I have to drop them an email of changing the, what do we call it? Course. I was like, no, I didn't do that. I did not drop any email. I just texted you all. And I was like, email drop karna tha aapko. And I was like, so what now? I like, and he was like, no, you'll have to wait for another year. Just give this exam again next year, or just give an ID again and you can get into pretty nice colleges. And I was like, what the actual, like, and I already knew that I'm not in the right headspace, like before going to give the exam. And now this happened. Is universe trying to give me any signs that girl, this college is not meant for you? Yeah, that happened. And then after coming home, I got so depressed because I didn't have any other college options left, because I did not attend any design aptitude tests of any other colleges, because I was quite confident that I would get into my dream college. But yeah, now I was broken. I was like shattered. My two options were to stay at home and study for NID once again, and the other option was to do some different degree, which is not design. And I kind of thought about it, and I didn't want to go to any other college because I never really thought about any different college. So, I mean, I did have one other option left at like my college, which I'm studying at right now. I forgot to apply Vaseline on my lips. After this, I just like to take this compact powder from Maybelline. I used to use the Fit Me one, but it got over, so I'm using this one. This one's pretty nice as well. And so I went to that college, I saw it, and I really liked the building and I really liked the campus overall. And I applied for visual communication and I checked my form thrice and I gave exam of that college and I got into visual communication. And I didn't really want to go to that college at first. And I was very, very skeptical about the design program there. I literally didn't want to go to that college like till the last moment. And then I was like, okay, fine. I just cannot stay at home for 1 year. I'll literally get depressed. So I was like, okay, I'll just join this college. And yeah, I am in this college right now. But because of that, it impacted me so much that I stopped posting. As you all know that I was pretty like excited about showing my face and making new sort of content on this channel. Consistency really dropped, and even now I'm not that consistent on my YouTube channel as I should be, but there's just this feeling that my life is not that interesting. Design student which are out of like my city, I feel so like different, that damn, they're having so much fun, they're in different city, they are in Mumbai, they are in Ahmedabad, etc., etc. I really wanted to join another college in different city. And I used to see a lot of YouTube videos of another students who like moved for college. And I was planning on this content since like 1 year, and this is not happening. So it wouldn't be that interesting. Like that's what I thought. And even now I get really like skeptical about filming my days because it's not that interesting. I feel like no one would like to watch this type of content, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, that's the thing with me. Next step is curling my lashes. After that, I like to fill in my brows. And then I just do my lip combo. And then I like to use this lip balm from Dot and Key. And yeah, that's it for my daily makeup. Let me just get my jewelry as well. And for the necklace, I think this is the final look. And yeah, this was it for my get ready with me. I'm all ready now to go to college, and that's how I ended up in this situation where I don't know what is happening in my life, and I ended up in such a different situation from what I imagined. But at first I was kind of depressed, but now I'm doing really well. There are many things which happened at college. I mean, there is some tea, but I shouldn't be spilling it here right now. But I will tell you guys this after some years. But yeah, that's it for today's video. And please check your college applications very seriously. Don't be like me. If you guys are also feeling the same, like if your besties are not happy with where you are right now, like if you didn't get into your dream colleges, it will be okay. Okay, at first I thought it won't be okay, but it's okay. Please just keep going and do not give up. Like, that's just what I have to say to y'all. I love you, besties, so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.